All right, so when you come in the front door, to the left, there is this family room with the fireplace. And then notice that there's definitely more house here. So let's go see this. I guess, oh, this is the entryway to an unfinished basement. Go down there in a minute. All right. Okay. I do have something going on there. Okay. All right. There's another room. Another room here. Closet. Okay. And there's a half bath with some storage. Okay, now we've got stuff going on. This bathroom has definitely got some water, mold, something going on up there in the ceiling. And then there is a really nice sized laundry room. We were thinking that this washer and dryer might not come with it, but that blue tape might just mean that it